Hey there. If you're new around here, I'm Melinda.
I'm Tracey.
And we are
the Gallivanting Gals.
We travel the world to bring you all the best places to visit, the things to see, the things to do,
and the yummy foods to eat.
So please give us a thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button
so you can follow along on our adventures.
Hey y'all. So today we are going to give you 13 of our favorite hotel hacks while we're in a hotel room. And so number one would be, what, pray tell, do we do with the hanger? Well, you know, everybody knows how you always have that slither of sunlight that always comes through. So you can use one of these if you have any left over, and you can clip it just like this, and you don't have to worry about the sunlight coming in, waking you up in the morning.
All right, so our second tip is, you want to watch your videos, your Netflix, your Hulu, whatever it is you want to watch off of your devices. Bring a small travel HDMI cable. We take this everywhere when we travel. That way we can connect to all of our different streaming accounts with no problem. The way you do it, if your device doesn't have a direct HDMI input, there's all kinds of adapters you can buy for iPads, laptops, whatever. And then you just find the extra HDMI connection in the TV, which this one is up here. So you connect it, and then you just connect your device, set it here, and you've got all of your streaming services to watch whenever you want to.
Okay, hack number 3. You get to your hotel room, unpacking, and you realize you have your charger, phone charger, but no cube, no multi-plug, nothing to plug it into. Nothing in the hotel room, no USB ports to plug it into. The TV. The TV will charge your phone. And usually on the sides of the TV, you'll see a USB. Just plug it in there like that. Now, one thing you will have to remember though, it will not charge unless the TV is on. So make sure you turn the TV on.
All right, hack number 4. So, if you're used to eating breakfast, and right now we're in the middle of COVID, so a lot of hotels don't have breakfast, you can bring the instant oatmeal packets and use your coffee pot for the water. If you just put the water in, and obviously don't put coffee in, and hit start, you will get hot water for any instant foods, oatmeal, noodles, anything instant that you just have to add hot water to. And it's a perfect hack, particularly if maybe you're running late or you get into a hotel room late. Easy way to fix a snack or breakfast or light meal.
Hack number 5. So in the mornings, you're in a hurry, you leave the hotel, you get out to the car, start driving down the road, and realize, uh-oh, I forgot my phone charger. An easy hack for that is, take your keys the night before, and wherever your phone charger is located, hook it around, kind of tie it around like that, and that way, when you go to grab your keys in the morning, you'll realize that you have your charger, and you'll never forget it. Okay, y'all, hack number 6. So you get to a hotel room, and for those of you that travel a lot, stay in a lot of hotels, sometimes you might forget the hotel room number that you're staying in. So one easy thing to do is take a picture of your room number, and that way you'll have it and won't forget what room you're in.
All right, the next hack on the list. Even before COVID, I wouldn't want to leave my toothbrush just laying on the counter in a random hotel room. So an easy way to keep it off the counter, take a coffee cup, put a hole in it, put your toothbrush in it, and you got a toothbrush holder. That's an easy hack, an easy way to keep your stuff a little more sanitary.
Okay, y'all, another hack. I don't care how well I try and pack my clothes, there's always something that's going to be wrinkled all the heck. So, a quick hack is, if you have something that's wrinkled, like a shirt, for instance, you can take it in here in the bathroom, and then while you're in the shower, hang it here. And while you're in the shower, the steam will get rid of the wrinkles.
All right, y'all, our next hack. If you don't have a mini fridge or you have more drinks than will fit in your mini fridge, most people go to the ice bucket. Well, you know, yes, they have bags, but they're not really big. And I mean, I don't know, that maybe will hold what, 2-3 bottles at best. So if you have more than that, grab a trash can. It is going to be much larger and hold a lot more of both ice and drinks than the ice bucket. And it's an easy way to keep drinks cold. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend this if you're actually using the ice to put in your drinks, but to use it as a cooler is an easy way to get more room to keep your drinks cold.
Okay, y'all, next hack. You don't have a table. You know, some hotel rooms, you don't really have anywhere to sit. They sometimes don't have a desk, nowhere to eat your food if you have, you know, carry out or, you know, delivery. So the next hack is grab the room ironing board and use it as a table. And as you can see, maybe here, we've got it actually between the beds. So if, you know, one person's on one bed and you're on the other, you can kind of share your space, depending. I mean, you can set your laptop up. Obviously, you can eat your food. So, yeah, I mean, great way to have a table.
All right, y'all, our next tip, forget face wipes, makeup remover, even shaving cream. Pretty much every hotel is going to provide you shampoo and conditioner. Conditioner works great as a makeup remover and as shaving cream. So anytime you don't have that stuff, don't try and run out and buy it or pay, you know, triple the price in the hotel shop. Just use some conditioner. It works just fine, and you can get the makeup off, or you know, use it as a shaving cream. So it's a great little hack.
Okay, y'all, next hack. Get into your hotel room. In there the first night, realize there's so much noise coming out of the hallway. There's light coming underneath the door to your room, and you cannot sleep. Hack. Roll up a towel. You can always get others. Roll up a towel. Put it down here. And voila. Kind of like a sound barrier. It holds out the light.
All right, y'all, our final hack is a hack, but it's really a safety tip or security tip more than anything. Don't ever put the, you know, tag out to have your room made up. Instead, just leave up the do not disturb 24/7, or don't have a tag hanging on your door at all. If you need your room made up, you can always call down to housekeeping and ask them to do it. Putting that on your door is just a big, you know, red flag telling everybody that you're not in your room, and it just leaves it open for the potential for more people to try and get in and you know, get into your stuff. So just either leave the do not disturb sign up all the time, or at a minimum, don't put the please make up room sign. All right, y'all, so that wraps up our
Hacks, our hotel room hacks.
13 of them. Lucky number 13.
Yes, so hopefully some of them helped you and you didn't know about them. Some of them you may have, but hey, it doesn't hurt to talk to you about them again.
So yeah, I mean, it's just when you're on the road and you forget something, it's just, you know, sometimes it's easy to kind of lose our patience or get frustrated. So, you know, there are some workarounds, and we hate the morning light or noisy hallways.
We do.
We hate it. So the towel in front of the door and the clips on the curtain are ones we use a lot.
Yes.
An awful lot.
And you know, and just if you have any, you know, hacks out there that you use that we didn't mention, feel free to put them in the comments.
Yeah.
We'd love to know what you do.
We would love to get your list of them, what your favorite ones are, what we missed. And we really hope you enjoyed it. So if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and
hit that notification bell, dingy dong.
And we appreciate you watching. We'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.
See ya.